here with Darcy Locke from ACI. Darcy, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Sure. So I am head of payments for ACI Speed Pay. Been in the business for about 20 years and 12 years with ACI in particular. I live in Louisville, Kentucky, and so glad to be here at the RevUp conference.
Good. Glad to have you here. So tell me quickly, what current trends are you seeing in the fintech industry that you believe will shape the next 3 to 5 years?
So I'd probably point to three things really. AI and automation are really driving smarter, faster decisioning. According to our latest ACI SpeedPay Pulse survey, 45% of consumers say AI already is influencing their payment experience. And then another thing would be embedded finance and self-service are really expected now. 75% want instant payments and 56% prioritize mobile over other forms of payment. And then when it comes to younger consumers, it's really important for driving behaviors, especially with those in that age group of 18 to 34. 31% of those are preferring mobile for bill pay reminders.
Okay. Well, which of the emerging technologies do you think is having the biggest impact on your business, such as AI, blockchain, or real-time data analytics? What do you think is having the biggest impact?
Ooh, that's another good question. At ACI, really, AI and real-time analytics are central to our strategy. We use them to predict payment behaviors, automate fraud detection, and prioritize billing. Again, that latest Pulse survey is emphasizing speed and simplicity to drive loyalty. 53% of our Walletron users tap Pay My Bill within hours of receiving that mobile wallet notification. And we're also exploring stablecoin as a way to bring additional value to not only our partners but to our clients. And with GOLDPoint in particular, we're using API-first integrations to avoid disrupting those legacy systems that we see a lot of clients using.
Okay, good. That kind of answers another question I had about how do you approach disrupting legacy systems or customer experiences when you deploy new items. Do you have anything else to speak on that?
Sure. So with that AI first, we also use a modular approach that lets us innovate without disrupting. So with GOLDPoint in particular, we've built seamless billing and payment experiences that are really designed to drive self-service and on-time payments. And then in addition to that, we're trying to leverage a single pane of glass agent experience, which really drives that back office efficiency that we're looking for, as well as higher employee sat. And so as a result of all of that, our clients have seen some really big results. Namely a 20% drop in inbound call volume, 16% increase in paperless billing, and then also a 20% growth in ACH recurring payments.
Oh, good to hear. Looking ahead, what capabilities or partnerships do you believe fintechs must prioritize to remain competitive, but most importantly compliant in an increasingly regulated environment?
Yeah, that's a really good question too. What we see is fintechs really need to focus on cloud-native technologies and infrastructure, as well as embedding that compliance into the tech stack. And then, of course, strategic partnerships are always important. And our collaboration with you guys is really a blueprint. Together, we're embedding least cost routing technologies, real-time data exchange, and secure alternative payments. And with 35% of consumers now interested in using payment methods like Apple Pay, Google Pay, Venmo, PayPal, it's really important that you meet customers where they are, not just to stay competitive, but also just to stay relevant.
Thanks for the questions and answers. Darcy, do you have anything else you'd like to add?
No, that's it. Thanks so much. We really have appreciated being here at RevUp.
Yeah, thanks for coming.